Hi guys, Sarah from Tentworld Fyshwick here. Today I'll be talking about the Oztrail 3-Shelf Deluxe Double Cupboard. It is portable, compact and easy to assemble. The pack down dimensions are 110 by 56 by 7 centimeters and it weighs 9.5 kilos. I'm just going to give a quick demonstration on how to set it up. Firstly, you just have to remove it from the bag. So you've got three main components. You've got the cupboard itself, you've got the top shelf, and you've got the 6 removable shelving. To assemble it, I find it easier to put it upside down first. Then all you have to do is just thread the Velcro straps and fasten it. Do this to both sides and the straps themselves will lock the legs in position and stop it from collapsing. Yeah. Flip it back the right way up. Then all you have to do is insert the shelves. They just slide in quite easily on top of the sewn-in shelves already there. Okay, now that the shelves are in, you can either zip up the fly mesh or keep them open. So the mesh will keep any insects or bugs and whatnot out, and it also gives good airflow for the products that are in there. To complete it, all you have to do is just put the top on. It's going to line it up and it clicks in place. Okay, so the assembled dimensions are 110 by 53 by 90 centimeters. The frame itself is made from aluminium and the material is an Oxford 600D polyester fabric. The inbuilt shelves are also made out of the same material. It has an 8 kilo shelf rating and you also have additional side pockets for extra storage on the outside. So if you're looking for any kitchen cabinets or anything you want to do with light storage, come to Tentworld.